It's been an incredibly challenging year for everyone, but here at Eagle Wing, we have so much to be thankful for.
I'm thankful for our friendly and enthusiastic guests.
I'm thankful for the awesome wildlife of the Salish Sea.
I'm thankful for our extensive COVID-19 protocols.
I'm thankful for promoting conservation through a job I love.
I'm thankful for Victoria Harbour and everything there is to see and do.
I'm thankful for the knowledgeable and passionate people that I work with.
I'm thankful for our wonderful neighbors at Fishermans Worth.
I am thankful for our many partners in conservation, education, and research.
I'm thankful for the dedication and hard work of our talented Eagle Wing team.
Most of all, we're thankful for you, the people of Canada, British Columbia, and especially Victoria, for supporting local tourism. We love what we do because of you.
Be safe.
Be kind.
And have fun.